beautiful day. Now let's start walking, guys. Join me as I take you to Cramon Beach in a beautiful sunny day.
I found sea snails. They're so cute. Mom, I wish I had one. Should have brought my jar. How can I pet it?
Are you sure it's alive? Maybe it's already dead.
Well, they're stuck to a rock. And
Yeah.
there's even others too. Alive? Oh, you guys are so cute.
It's alive. I think so. Let's go.
There's others.
Oh yeah. Let's check. We're gonna bring it home and we're gonna eat it.
What?
We're gonna eat it.
Eat what?
That one.
The sea snail?
Yeah.
But Mom, I want to keep it.
What's in there, Kelsey?
Look, I got some. They're alive. But where's the one that you got where?
Oh, over there. I think they're already moving. Ah, they're moving. They're trying to get away.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Oh, that's a dead crab.
Where?
Oh, a dead crab leg. Ew.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love.
Use your face.
I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is forever yours.
Kelsey, this way. And now, back to the car now. And this is what I got, my souvenir. Rough on the other side, and it's so soft in the other side. So, okay.